More news coming in, and this has got to do with the Congress's strategy in Parliament. Congress MP Manish Tiwari has given adjournment motion notice in Lok Sabha for the purpose of discussing the new criminal laws, the 3 new criminal laws, which in fact have come into effect on midnight yesterday. Mosmi is getting asked more on that. Mosmi, essentially a new adjournment motion to discuss this. Congress MP Manish Tiwari says that the laws do not reflect the collective wisdom of Parliament, and that's the reason why a discussion should take place.
That's right, Sneha. Remember that the last time that these laws were passed, the opposition accused the government of bulldozing these bills into the House and passing them in the din. And there was a lot of protest by the Congress members as well that they were not against passing of any laws that would in fact ease out the justice system, but importantly there should be deliberations and discussions, and there were certain provisions in this law that were draconian and not there was no consultation at large. So this time round Manish Tiwari, thereby the dynamics in the Parliament have changed, and thereby underlining that fact by bringing in an adjournment notice.
Mosmi, I'm going to thank you for getting us those details. The government has been insistent that there should be a discussion first on the motion of thanks for the President's address, and then other matters can be taken up, like need, for example. But the Congress here pressing for yet another adjournment motion to discuss the new criminal laws that are getting rolled out. 3 new criminal laws are getting rolled out today, and this is what the opposition is raising objection to, saying that this does not reflect the collective wisdom of Parliament as far as the new laws are concerned. The government on its part has said that this is to ensure speedy justice. There are certain provisions of these laws that the opposition has been objecting to. First of all, when the bills were passed in Parliament, the opposition indicated that they were upset about the fact that many MPs at that point in time, in the month of December, were suspended. So when the House was in fact in business, the opposition MPs were sitting out. So how do the laws reflect the the collective wisdom of Parliament is the question that the opposition has been asking. Remember, these laws will be replacing the colonial era laws, essentially the Indian Penal Code, the CRPC, which is the Code of Criminal Procedure, and the Indian Evidence Act. The Indian Penal Code is being replaced by the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Starting today, organized crime, terrorism, murder will fall under these offences. The law also criminalizes deceitful sexual intercourse with a woman. Again, one of the provisions that a section of the society has objected to. The Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita has replaced the CRPC. Under the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, judgment can be pronounced in the absence of the offender here. Person having more than one pending case can't be released on personal bond, which was possible under CRPC. In a big development, medical report of a rape victim will have to be filed within 7 days. Amid this, politics has erupted over the implementation of the new laws, with the opposition demanding re-examination of them.
बहुत लंबा कंसल्टेशन करके इन 3 कानूनों को लाया गया है। देश की परिस्थितियां के लिए आवश्यक था, टेक्नोलॉजी में इतना डेवलपमेंट हो गया उसके लिए आवश्यक था, और फॉरेंसिक साइंस में इतना डेवलपमेंट हो गया है इसलिए ये आवश्यक था। जब इंडियन पीनल कोड आया था तो उसका काम था कि नागरिकों को दंड दो, इसलिए वो भारतीय दंड संहिता, और वर्तमान सरकार का भाव है कि नागरिकों को न्याय देना है, इसलिए भारतीय न्याय संहिता है।
Home Minister Amit Shah, on discussion of this, in fact, these laws in the month of December, had spoken about the new laws introducing the bill in Parliament. Let's take a listen to what he had said at that point in time.
माननीय अध्यक्ष, ये तीनों विधेयक दंड विधान प्रक्रिया, क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम को बेसिक कानून, इसके लिए मूलभूत कानून ये 3 विधेयकों के अंदर है। एक है इंडियन पिनल कोड जो 1860 में बनाया गया, दूसरा है क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड जो 1898 में बनाया गया, और तीसरा है इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट जो 1872 में बनाया गया। 1860, 1898 और 1872 में अंग्रेजों द्वारा बनाए गए, अंग्रेजों की संसद के द्वारा पारित किए गए ये तीनों कानूनों को समाप्त कर आज हम तीनों नए कानून पुरस्कृत करने के लिए मैं आया हूं। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, इंडियन पिनल कोड 1860 की जगह भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023 अब एस्टैब्लिश होगी। क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड 1898 की जगह भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता प्रस्तावित होगी और इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट 1872 की जगह भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम 2023 प्रस्तावित होगा।